Unlocking the universe, the magic of astronomy telescopes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the cosmos, all from the comfort of our own homes. We're going to explore the incredible world of astronomy telescopes. These tools are not just instruments. They are our windows to the vast universe, allowing us to see beyond the capabilities of our eyes. Whether you're an English language learner or a budding astronomer, understanding what an astronomy telescope is and how it works is the first step towards unlocking the secrets of the stars. An astronomy telescope is a sophisticated optical instrument designed to magnify and bring distant objects closer to our eyes. It uses a series of lenses or mirrors to gather light from celestial bodies, such as planets, stars, and galaxies, making them visible and detailed for observation. The magic of an astronomy telescope lies in its ability to capture more light than our eyes can, revealing the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. There are three main types of astronomy telescopes, each with its unique design and purpose. 1. Refracting telescopes use lenses to bend and focus light. They're known for their crisp, high-contrast images and are great for viewing the moon and planets. 2. Reflecting telescopes utilize mirrors to reflect light and form an image. These telescopes are popular among amateur astronomers for their versatility and deep sky observing capabilities. 3. Catadioptric telescopes combine lenses and mirrors in a compact design, offering the best of both worlds. They're excellent for detailed observations of distant celestial objects. Using an astronomy telescope might seem daunting at first, but it's quite straightforward once you understand the basics. 1. Setup. Choose a stable and clear location away from city lights. Assemble your telescope according to the manufacturer's instructions. 2. Align. Align your telescope with a well-known object, like the moon or a bright star, to get your bearings. 3. Focus. Adjust the focus until the image is sharp. This might require some patience and minor adjustments. 4. Explore. Move your telescope to different areas of the sky. Use star maps or apps to help find and identify celestial objects. We hope this video has illuminated the fascinating world of astronomy telescopes for you. Remember, every time you look through a telescope, you're not just observing stars and planets, you're witnessing the history of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep looking up and let your curiosity lead the way.